Hi guys, we received this banknote detector for bank purposes. It's a really nice banknote detector because it's portable, it's small. You can connect it rapidly anywhere. It checks the banknotes with UV light, magnetic functions, infrared, and it checks the paper quality and the size. It detects it automatically. It shows pieces, the number of pieces of banknotes, and the total value of each currency. You can use a rechargeable lithium battery for portable usage without having to connect it to the energy outlet, which is nice. So let's take it out of the box. Okay, here comes the user manual. You can read either dollars or euros, which is nice. It comes very well protected. Here will go the battery. You charge it and you connect it. Let's try it. And in here we've got two connected to the outlet. It goes in here and you connect it to the outlet. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the battery. I'm gonna turn it on. You can change the currency with this button, or the direction. I got here $1. It goes this way, so I'm gonna try it. It gives it back to me when I put it. Okay, it's counting several pieces. I'm just one, but you can the denomination. It tells us that it's $1. Here's the value, and here we can see the denomination. I put it 4 times, and it tells us that it's a $1. I'm gonna change it back. Okay, the direction is now this way. So as you can see, it counted, which is really nice. It's very portable and easy to use. Okay, to clear it, if you are gonna stop counting bills, just press it for like 2 seconds and it erases the memory of how many bills you use. Okay, I'm gonna change the direction again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I wanna see the currency, the number of the bills that I placed. So it's $1 5 times, and I'm gonna clear it. So it's a really easy banknote detector to have. It's easy to use. I like it a lot. It's small, doesn't take that a lot of space, and it's really nice. If you need one, I would really recommend it. It's a great quality. And I like a lot the option to connect a lithium battery to make it easier to have anywhere you want it. So I will recommend it. See ya.